Now, you're not getting any views on YouTube because you're doing the same mistakes over and over and over again. You haven't been asking yourself these two questions that can help explode your channel when you make videos. Now, I used to make videos like this before. Look at this, Olympic Games and Valorant. I used to make gaming videos. They flopped. I actually had channels with over 120 videos that all flopped. And now I have videos that get hundreds of thousands of views. So what changed? Let's have a look. When I made these videos, I need to think, why would someone watch? What is the idea and what unique experience am I getting? Now, why would someone watch Valorant? Clutch moments. Is there anything, what's the idea? It's just me playing games with my friend, okay? What about the Olympic Games? It's just me playing games with my friend. There's no amazing gaming experience. I'm not an elite master or anything. I don't have any value to show. It's just me having a fun time with my friend. So, if we go down, what is the idea? Fun. So, who is it fun for? It's fun for me as the gamer. But is it really fun for the viewer? You're just watching somebody else play games and there's nothing they're being offered. So this is actually a terrible idea. What is the unique experience that you're getting? So what is happening in this video that if I didn't click this, I wouldn't get? You know, I can only get in this video. What is the unique experience? Actually, nothing. It's just a gaming video. I could literally just go watch PewDiePie or something else as a viewer. So why would I watch some random guy on the internet play Valorant? And this is what all your videos probably look like. And it doesn't just have to be for gaming. Any niche you're in, it can be this. Now, is it a bad idea? So what is the idea? It's you playing games. Now, for all your videos, there's going to be either two answers. Either your idea is actually good and you need to think, if your idea is good, then if it's not getting views, you need to repackage it better. And if it is a bad idea, you need to think of a better idea. Just scrap the whole video. Now, I'll give you examples. This is my current channel. This video has 238,000 views, refuting 9 reasons why Islam is false by Ethri. Now, what is the idea here? The idea here is I'm doing a refutation, and the guy went viral for saying why he believes Islam is false. I'm doing a refutation of a viral video. So the video is already viral that I'm refuting. Refutation of a, viral video. Okay, what am I getting unique experience that I can't get elsewhere? Well, it's refuting 9 reasons why Islam is false. At the time when this just released, no one else is talking about it. And also, even if they are, people want to know an in-depth refutation. They want to see people explain why everything that guy said in the video is wrong. They want to feel comfortable in their faith. They want to feel at peace. They want to feel content. They want to increase their faith. So, what is the unique experience that you're getting? You're getting you're getting to see the video you dislike to be refuted or dismantled. So the idea here is unique because no one else has done it. And am I getting a unique experience? Let's change this to red. Yes, because no one else had done this. No one else had made it. So that already makes it a unique experience. Let's scroll down for another one. 272,000 views. The biggest misconceptions about Islam. And what is the idea? I'm just explaining. That's all I'm doing. The entire video is me just explaining misconceptions people have about the religion of Islam. Am I getting a unique experience I can't get elsewhere? Well, I'm sure that people have spoken about misconceptions in Islam, but this, as you can see by the title and thumbnail, is a 6-minute video, and it includes all of the biggest misconceptions that people have, answered, explained in one video. So am I getting a unique experience? Yes. You're getting an all-round, just nicely wrapped, packaged video that includes everything. Includes everything in the one video. And people may not be able to find that anywhere else. So whenever you're making a video, just think of these 3 questions. Or there's mainly 2, but you always want to think of, why would someone watch this? Not why would you watch this, not why are you having fun. If I'm randomly watching, why would I click on this? Okay, what is the idea? And what's something unique I'm getting that I can't get anywhere else? If these aren't all 3 yeses, if you're not getting a good idea, yes. Unique experience, yes. And yes, is there a reason for someone to watch? Then the video's not going to get any views. You're going to get stuck in viewer hell. 38 views, 59 views. Now, I have my school link in the description. You can join the school program. It's at a early launches price of $69 right now. The price will go up. And we can help you, hold your hand, get you the way through. So you don't have to go through everything I experienced. You get all the insights and the advanced techniques that I have that can help you get your videos looking more like this, and get you to 8,000 subscribers instead of making hundreds of videos with little to no views and little to no success like I did before. Thank you.